Assalamualaikum friends. Today's story title is Ayaan's Online Oops. Hi, meet Ayaan. Ayaan loved making funny videos and posting them online. Every time he got new likes, he smiled even bigger. He felt like a mini star. One day, he saw a post about something happening in his city. Without checking, he quickly shared it. He thought, wow, everyone will think I am smart and fast. And yes, his post started getting lots of likes. Until the next morning, someone commented, "Hey, that's not true." Ayaan's eyes went wide. He checked again, and oh no, it was wrong. He had shared fake news. People got upset. His friends stopped liking his posts. Ayaan felt really bad inside. He deleted the post and said sorry. Then he promised himself, I will always check before I share anything again. Now, Ayaan still makes fun videos, but he is careful, kind, and honest online because likes and followers are fun. But truth and trust are the real star. Think before you post and always choose kindness first.